Erectile dysfunction, again, is hindi mo masustain ng constantly ang erection ng isang ari ng lalaki hanggat matapos ang pagtatali.
Ano ngayon ang mga dahilan, Doc? May kinalaman ba
Okay.
dyan ng edad?
Meron tayong dalawang division. Meron
Ayan.
tayong psychological
Okay.
or psychosomatic na ibig sabihin because of stress, because of trauma, because of certain history during childhood, nagkaroon ng problema, no? Even ito kasi madalas lalo na yung mental health, lalo na yung during the pandemic, marami tayong nakitang mga kabataan na meron nagkaroon ng transient erectile dysfunction. This is psychological. So this is correctable. Then the second one is also correctable but this is organic in nature. Ano ibig sabihin ng organic? Ito ay may kinalaman sa metabolic disorder,